This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Ross Ellsworth. Total of 5-car garage, 3 attached and 2 detached. Grand foyer welcomes you to this lovely home with a bedroom and full bath on first level. Private office, family and dining room. Open floor plan with large kitchen and lots of cabinets. The outdoors area offers a Michael Phelps swim spa with rolla cover, split unit for year-round use. Large deck area. This home offers total of 5 bedrooms. Too many extras to list. Community pier, with gazebo, canoes you can check out. This riverfront, golf course, resort-style community offers amenities you love right here. Golf, volleyball, swimming pools, clubhouse, waterfront parks, playgrounds, miles of walking and biking trails, and a full-time activities director offered year-round fun for the whole family. This community is conveniently located in Northern Suffolk West/easy access.